Hey guys, thanks for watching my kids unbox this truck. Just a quick unconventional boxing. I just want to talk about when it comes time to charging your Scx24. Here's the charger it comes with. I haven't used it, and I anticipate that this will probably take hours to charge this truck. But my friend Paul at Niagara RC World in St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada, where I buy all my stuff, suggested this cool little rig up. So basically it accepts, it's an adapter essentially for JST connectors. So you plug in this, this is the battery that comes with the Scx24, the 350 mAh Reaction 2S. So you can do a regular balance charge. All I did was cut off the butt connectors and soldered on an XT60 because that's what my charger accepts. I set the charger to 0.4, slightly larger than the 350 mAh. And you're off to the races for a regular balance charge, and it charges like in 20 minutes or so. I thought that was a helpful tip, and I appreciated the adapter and the advice, so I thought I would share. Use the chapters below, and to fast forward to our first run with the Axial Scx24. Thanks a lot. Peace.
Hello.
Hi guys. Welcome to another great day on Philly BRC. Today we'll be unboxing this RC car.
What is it?
It is an
Axial
Scx24.
Yeah, give us a show.
Made by General Motors.
No.
Sponsored by General Motors, or licensed rather. Yep. All right, get to it.
So we're gonna start unboxing this.
Also a special edition from Georgian Bay. More swivel, more action.
Okay.
How about
so
we move
now
this?
we can get it out of the box. So now we got it out of the box. Well, now let's take a little
Hang
look.
tight, hang tight. Why don't we? This is cool. Why don't we see? Oh, this thing is nice. You show me all angles. All right, just place it there, facing me, hon. Oh, this thing is cool. Okay.
Make sure to subscribe and smash the bell.
And thumbs up.
And don't forget to miss any new videos.
Hosted by RC Cars.
Okay, nice and slow. This way, towards me. Turn, turn, turn. You're not gonna make it up there. Nice. Okay, try this big one right here. Good. Need more power? That's right, turn into it.
That's what crawling is all about.
That's what crawling is all about. Figuring out the angles, right?